Ah, the Mantis pen. It seems this titanium marvel has captured your attention with its 4-in-1 functionality and sleek design. Let's delve into its features and see if it lives up to the hype. Key features: 4-in-1 multifunctionality combines a smooth writing pen, a mini knife, a window breaker, and a self-defense tool in one compact package. Gr5 Titanium construction, lightweight, durable, and corrosion-resistant, making it ideal for everyday carry. Eternal pen features a refillable Schmidt P8126 nib for smooth writing and long-lasting ink cartridges. Micro-knife, high-carbon steel blade provides for emergency cutting tasks or light EDC use. Tungsten steel attack head offers a sturdy self-defense tool for unexpected situations. Bidirectional conversion head seamlessly switch between pen and tool functions with a simple twist. IPX8 Waterproof can withstand accidental submersion, ensuring all-weather reliability. Here are some of the pros and cons of the Mantis pen. Pros: versatile and convenient. Premium materials and craftsmanship. Smooth writing experience. Compact and portable. Durable and weatherproof. Cons: price. Mini knife limitations. Self-defense tool considerations. Learning curve. Overall impression: the Mantis pen is a unique and compelling option for individuals who value everyday convenience, preparedness, and premium materials. It combines smooth writing with practical tools, making it a versatile and stylish EDC companion. However, the price tag, limitations of the mini knife and self-defense tool, and potential learning curve are factors to consider before making a decision. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.